aluminum. The main chassis is aluminum. It's a much more well-built version of their entry level. It looks like it would be aluminum, but it is plastic. I've also noted I have access to the Wi-Fi card, the 2.5-inch SATA drive, the NVMe, and you also have access to the RAM slots. Corsair is partnered with Lenovo. The battery is also slightly bigger, not by a lot. It's still only a 57 watt-hour battery, and you need to bring your charger with you if you want to go the full day. Now, the ports are on the back again, which I like. You just kind of keep the ports and extra cables and peripherals out of the way. And this time around, you also get a Thunderbolt 3 port, which is
nerd. Shut up. You don't know my KD. Peasant. That's how that'd go down. Now, my review unit is the 17-inch model, which as far as I know only really has one advantage over the 15-inch model, and that's battery life. So the 15-inch only has a 57 watt-hour battery, whereas the 17-inch has a 76 watt-hour battery, which gave me about 5 to 5.5 hours of productivity.
And this time around, you also get a Thunderbolt 3 port, which is something that I feel with bezeled screen, and I think it's one of the best features of this device, that cleaner design aesthetic. It still has the webcam on the bottom of the laptop, but in terms of the specs, I think you actually get a really good value with the Y series, both the Y530 and the Y730. The keyboard has actually changed a little bit as well. Not that the Y530 had a bad keyboard, but the layout's a little bit different. There's macro keys on the Y730, and there's no number pad on the Y730. They're much quieter and have a better feel to the click compared to the Y530. And the speakers, they're also improved. They're still laptop speakers, but they sound noticeably better to me. And there's also, the software that they're using for this is done by Corsair, or at least it's done.
Lighting? Everyone's like, not really. Well, too bad, because we got RGB for days with its RGB ambient lighting system they've thrown in that shines light out of all the vents and the Legion logo on the lid, which I think's a nice touch if you're looking to hunker down in a dark room and tear shit up for the night. Otherwise, it can all be easily controlled or disabled in the Corsair IQ lighting app whenever you want. Same thing with the backlit keyboard. So like 90% of the ports are on the back again? Praise the tech gods. Which is the way it should be done. Drop me a comment if you agree. So we've got a mini display port, HDMI, 2 USB 3.1 ports, a network port, and then the power adapter port. But then just for shits and giggles, they threw in a Thunderbolt 3 port and audio jack on the left side and another USB 3.1 port on the right. Now, that Thunderbolt 3 port's gonna come in handy for some of you because something to keep in mind is that this is a mid-range gaming laptop, so it only comes with a GTX 1050 Ti, which is still totally adequate right now and for a little while longer. But eventually it'll start showing its age like Mick Jagger. Ooh, dude's face is the stuff nightmares are made of. Which is when you might want to consider investing in an external GPU setup to plug into that Thunderbolt 3 port to carry your laptop for another couple years or more. Now just like its little brother, the Y530, it's super easy to get all up in those guts like a horny teenager with access to the 16 gigs of RAM, which can be upgraded to 32, the 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive, and the 128 gig NVMe drive. The 17-inch 60Hz display is IPS, which is just awesome and spits out 300 nits of brightness followed up by 100% sRGB and 70% Adobe RGB color gamut. So not the best for professional work, but great for gaming or when being a useless prick on a Saturday morning while watching movies on Netflix you've already seen 3 times. I did want to mention though, the bezels are fairly thick compared to the nice thin bezels on the 15-inch Y730 and Y530, so not quite as pretty looking. We've got a full keyboard complete with number pad for those number nerds out there, and it's backlit, as I'm sure you can tell because of how blindingly vibrant it is. It's like the engineers took a bunch of LSD before getting to the keyboard and were like, more color. Seriously, the best looking RGB backlighting I've ever seen on a laptop. And on top of that, we get per key lighting, which is always better than zone lighting.